In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manager or user to Google Business Profile. If you need to give someone access to help manage your business listing, Google makes it fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on inviting another account and giving it owner-level access from your current Google Business Profile. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that currently manages the profile. Start by opening your Google Business Profile. One easy way to get there is by searching for your business on Google while signed in, or by going directly to your Google Business Profile dashboard. Once you're on the correct profile, take a moment to confirm that you're managing the right business, especially if you have access to more than one listing. Next, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More. Click that, and then choose Business Profile Settings. This is where Google keeps the account level controls for your listing, including who can access it and what level of permission they have. Inside the settings area, click People and Access. This section shows everyone who currently has permission to manage the business profile. If you ever need to review existing users before adding someone new, this is the place to do it. Now go to the top left and click Add. Google will then prompt you to enter the email address for the account you want to invite. Type in the email carefully because access will be sent directly to that account. If there's a typo, the invitation may go to the wrong person or fail to reach them. After entering the email address, find the access dropdown and choose Owner. This gives the invited account owner-level permissions on the business profile. Once you've selected that access level, click Invite to send the invitation. At this point, Google will send the invite to the new account, and the recipient will need to accept it before the access becomes active. If they don't see it right away, it can help to check their email inbox, spam folder, or their Google Business Profile notifications. One important tip here is to be intentional about the permission level you assign. Owner access gives a high level of control, so only use it for someone you trust to manage the profile responsibly. If your goal is specifically to transfer control later, inviting the account as an owner is the correct starting point. And that's it. Once the invitation is accepted, the new account will have owner access to the Google Business Profile.